In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Facebook ads with Canva. So, let's get started and dive into the exciting world of creating engaging Facebook ads that can help you captivate your audience effectively. First things first, head over to the Canva website. Canva is an incredibly useful tool for design, praised for its user-friendly interface and versatility. You'll find that it's a perfect match for creating polished and professional-looking Facebook ads. Once you're on the Canva site, type Facebook ads into the search bar. This step is a fantastic way to kick off your design process as it displays a wide array of templates specifically crafted for Facebook advertising. Using these templates is not only a time saver, but also provides a solid professional base to work from. Take a few moments to browse through these templates. This is your chance to explore the various design styles available. You'll notice options ranging from vibrant, colorful designs to more simplistic, minimalist layouts. Choose a template that aligns perfectly with your brand's voice and embodies the message you wish to deliver. Remember, this template is going to be the foundation of your ad, so it's essential that it resonates with the overall tone of your campaign. Once you find a template that piques your interest, click on Customize this template. This is where your creativity truly comes into play. Customizing allows you to personalize the design to meet your unique needs, adjust the colors to reflect your branding, tweak the layout to emphasize your key messages, and fine-tune any other elements to ensure your ad aligns perfectly with your campaign goals. Now that you've set up the visual style, it's time to jump into text editing. Canva's text editing tools are incredibly intuitive, making it simple to alter font styles, sizes, and colors. When you're crafting your text, whether it's a bold call to action or an attention-grabbing headline, make sure it's clear and compelling. The goal is to effectively communicate your message in a way that engages your audience. Next, we need to talk about imagery. You have the opportunity to click Upload and effortlessly drag and drop your own image into the design. This can be particularly impactful if you have high-quality product images or thematic photos that enhance your ad's appeal. Unique visuals can really set your ad apart and make it more memorable. So, make sure the images you choose are both eye-catching and relevant to your ad's message. Once all elements are in place, take a final moment to review your design, ensuring each component works harmoniously. If you're happy with the outcome, you can download your newly created ad and get ready to publish it on Facebook. And there you have it. By simply following these steps, you've successfully crafted a compelling Facebook ad with Canva. With these ads, you're well on your way to engaging your audience more effectively. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this process straightforward and enjoyable. Happy designing!